I'm Joan Gamble. I'm the Children's Associate at the West End branch of Richmond Public Library. Today I'm bringing you another installment of RPL Presents Full Steam Ahead. Today we're going to do some simple science using pumpkins. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to make a pumpkin volcano using a hollowed out pumpkin or using a jack-o'-lantern.
You'll need vinegar, baking soda, dish soap, and food coloring, which is optional. You also need something to contain the mess.
Pretty cool, right? But what's happening? The vinegar is reacting with the baking soda in what is known as an acid-base reaction. Vinegar is an acid, and baking soda is a base. When they're combined, they start to neutralize each other. When they do this, carbon dioxide gas is formed. That is why we see the bubbles, just like we would if we shook up a can of cola. The fizzing we see is that carbon dioxide gas trying to escape from the liquid.